Hey up, and welcome to Callums Corner. Now, I've had to say this a few times now, but this is the final time that I will say this. Look how tall I am. You don't want to be mocking me, I tell you. And you idiots, all of you, the people who are mocking me, you look like spasmoids. One of them looks like a jacket potato with glasses on his head. And I swear there's ginger people trying to mock me. You know, I'm not the kind of person you want to be messing with. Cats. I don't think kittens and puppy dogs are cute. In fact, I think all cats, if I'm honest with you,